Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the time on your Invicta Pro Diver watch. Now if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post weekly videos with watches, watch tutorials, watch restorations, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have a lot of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So if you have a pro diver or a diver in general, you have a screw down crown. This means that you cannot pull the crown just as on regular watches. You first need to unscrew it, and you do that by rotating it counterclockwise. So to the left. As you can see, I am rotating it to the left, so counterclockwise, until the watch crown will pop out. So you will get into this position. Now if you have this kind of pro diver, you also have a date window. This means that when you pull the crown to the first position, you will be able to set the date, but make sure to have both hands on the lower part of the watch so that you do not damage the date wheel. Now if you want to set the time, you need to pull the crown one more time to the second position. So you will hear a second click. And now when you move the hands, you can see that they actually rotate. Also on automatic watches, on mechanical watches, even on quartz watches, make sure to rotate the hands clockwise. So as you can see, I am rotating the crown clockwise as well. After you have set the time, you simply need to push the crown all the way, so to the initial position, and here you need to screw down the crown once again. So what we will do this time is push and rotate to the right. And as you can see, the watch crown is slowly approaching the watch case until you can no longer screw it down. This means that you have now screwed down the crown and you are ready to go. This means that your watch is protected against water, dust, moisture, and other things. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and you can now set the time on your Invicta Pro Diver. For more watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also do not forget to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.